So good morning friends, welcome to PD classes. Today a very important session for all those who want to make their career in geography. Students, lot many students want to go for an interview of geography teacher, and today we have lot many questions. This will be very fruitful for all of you. I hope you will be enjoying our both channels, PD classes and interview guide. So today Mr. Pankaj is in front of us.
Yes sir.
Pankaj, you are from Jharkhand.
Yes sir.
So Pankaj, I have lot many questions for you regarding geography.
Sure sir.
And here we have a member. She will be also participating in this interview. Her name is Kanika.
Yes,
So Kanika is also would be asking you lot many questions based on some HR questions.
Okay sir.
Okay. So my first question to you is, what is the location of India?
Sir, basically India is located in southern part of Asia. The latitudinal location of India is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudinal extent of India is 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east.
That's great. And Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states? And you can name these states also.
Yes sir. Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states.
Okay.
These states are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram sir.
Okay. Kanika, you can even ask questions please.
Can you tell me about what is weather?
Yes ma'am. Weather is the atmospheric condition of a place for any point of time.
Okay.
It is said to be that, for example, if the day of Sri Ganganagar is sunny day, then at present it is a sunny weather.
Mr. Pankaj,
Yes sir.
what is the length of north-south extent and east-west extent of India?
Sir, north-south extension of India is 3214 km,
Okay.
and east-west extension of India is 2933 km.
Okay. And India is present in which part of Asia?
It is present in southern part of Asia. Sir.
Right. Tell something about India's neighboring countries.
Yes sir. There are so many neighboring countries of India, such as in northwestern part Pakistan and Afghanistan. In the northern part there is Tibet, China and Bhutan also, and in the eastern part there is Myanmar, and in the western part there is Maldives and Sri Lanka.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Kanika. Please have your questions.
Sure, sir. Thank
Yes,
you. My next question is define minerals and ores.
Yes ma'am. The naturally occurring substance from the earth's crust are known as minerals, whereas ore are extracted from metals.
Okay.
Okay. They are extracted from metals.
Yes, all minerals are ore, but all ores are not mineral.
Okay. What are the 5 major physiographic divisions of India?
So the 5 major physiographic divisions of India are the Himalayan mountain, the northern plain, the peninsular plateau, the Indian desert, and the coastal plain of India.
Okay. What do you mean by drainage basin?
The catchment area of any river is known as drainage basin. For example, river Ganga river flows in the northern part of India. All the area by which Ganga river irrigates, or its tributaries and distributaries irrigates, that is said to be river basin. Sir.
Okay. What do you mean by river system?
Sir, when we talk about river system, it is the combined phenomena of any river, its tributaries and distributaries. It is said to be river system, collectively called as river system.
Okay. Name some tributaries of Ganga river.
Some tributaries of Ganga river are Koshi, Gandak, Bhagirathi, Alagnanda, and that's also.
Okay. What are the roles of river in the economy?
Sir, rivers plays a vital role in the economy of our country, in the agricultural sector also, in the industry sector also. Sir, in the agriculture sector, it provides irrigation for our crops, and in the industrial sector, it provides water as a raw material and electricity, by virtue of which hydel power projects.
Okay. What do you mean by the term monsoon?
Yes sir. It is a word which is derived from Arabic word mausim. The word monsoon means the seasonal changes of the direction of wind. In India, monsoon brings rainy season. by virtue of which we get rainfall in our country. There are two types of monsoon, southwestern monsoon and southeastern monsoon.
What are the factors affecting India's climate?
The factors affecting India's climate are altitude, latitude, precipitation, etc.
Okay. Define jet streams.
Sir, sorry sir, I could not remember.
No
this.
problem. What is El Nino and La Nino? Nina.
Yes sir. Sir, El Nino is the warm phase of ocean current. It brought rainfall over Indonesian and Australian continent.
Okay. And what is ENSO? ENSO?
Sir, ENSO is also referred as El Nino Southern Oscillation.
Okay. What is? Can you tell me the 5 types of vegetations? Can you explain that briefly?
Yes sir. So the 5 types of vegetations are tropical deciduous forest, tropical evergreen forest, mountain and shrub, tropical sorry sir, I can remember only 3.
Okay. Yes, you want to ask any question, Kanika?
Yes, sir, sure. What
Yes,
do you
ma'am.
mean by flora and fauna?
Ma'am, when we talk about flora, it is the kingdom of plants and flowers, and whereas fauna is the kingdom of animals. When we look about the vegetation of India, it comes under flora, and when we look upon the wildlife of India, it comes under fauna.
Define population growth. What do you mean by this?
Yes sir. It is the increase in the population over a period of decade.
Okay.
Yes.
And population density is?
Population density is defined as the number of person per square kilometer.
Okay. And what is sex ratio?
Yes sir. So sex ratio is defined as the number of females per 1000 males.
What do you mean by migration?
It is the process in which people move from one places to another by means of livelihood, education, health, etc.
And what do you mean by resources? Can you define in brief?
Yes sir.
Please.
Resources is everything which presents around us, which is technologically accessible,
Okay.
culturally acceptable, and economically feasible.
Right.
That is termed as resources. For example, electricity, coal, petroleum, etc.
Okay. Giving examples of renewable and non-renewable resources.
Sir, some renewable resources are water, air, sunlight, etc.
Okay.
And non-renewable resources are coal, petroleum, etc.
Okay. Can you tell me the types of soil? How many types of soil are there?
There are 5 types of soil. These are alluvial soil, black soil, laterite soil, arid soil, and mountain soil.
Okay. Define soil erosion.
Yes sir. Sir, when we talk about soil erosion, it is the cutting down of soil by virtue of flowing streams or rivers, and the transport of that soil from one places to another.
And there are certain methods of soil conservation also.
Yes sir.
What are those?
We can conserve soil by means of planting more and more trees, that is also called afforestation, and by changing in the pattern of agriculture, so that is called counter ploughing.
Okay. Define normal species, endangered species, and extinct species.
Normal species are those which are present in the normal level. For
Okay.
example, cattle, etc.
And what about endangered?
So endangered species are those species who are in the verge of extinction.
Okay.
For example, Asiatic cheetah.
Okay. Extinct?
Extinct species are those which are extinct from this continent or from these certain places.
Okay.
These are for example pink head ducks.
Okay. See, geography, as you study very well, I want to ask you why you opted geography as your career. What is the reason? Why you like geography so much?
Yes sir. Sure sir. Sir, I like geography because from the very beginning of my childhood, I used to very familiar with my surrounding environment
Okay.
with a natural vegetation.
Right.
And during my graduation time, sir, I got a chance to take geography as a subject. I decided to take it and carry my career, sir.
Okay. What are the major topics we study in geography according to you?
So major topics in geography are Indian geography and involved geography. And involved geography, there are oceanography, climatology, physical geography and human geography.
Okay.
Yes.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
So my strengths are that I am a determined person and a good learner. And my weaknesses are that I focus on the perfection of any work.
Okay.
And I give preference to my professional works.
Right.
Yes.
Why you opted as a geography teacher? What are the reason you be a teacher? You can become a geographical, some other jobs you can attain of geography related.
Yes, sir. Sir, as you know, teaching is a noble profession
Agreed.
that shapes career, character and caliber of an individual.
Okay.
And in terms of geography, we see that when I found myself got interested in the surrounding nature and its phenomena, and that's why I took geography as my career, sir.
Okay, very nice, very well you have given answers. And Kanika, what do you think? He is really intelligent enough to answer all the questions?
Yes, sir.
And his knowledge level is also good?
Yes, sir.
Keep
Thank you,
it up.
ma'am.
Proud of you, really. So
Thank you.
nice of
Thank you.